Use a green yarn. Crochet the jaw part of the flower. Wind the yarn around the little finger. Bring to index finger. Wind the yarn around the middle finger. Let's start. Use a thicker end. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and crochet a cast-on. Yarn over. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast-on. Continue to crochet 5 single crochets. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Wind. Yarn over 2 loops. This is a single crochet. We place a marker in the first stitch. This is a stitch. Continue to crochet the second single crochet. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Crochet 5 single crochets. After 5 single crochets done, take the yarn off. Tighten the end of the yarn. And make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Pass through the first stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the stitch. The first lap has done. Wind and yarn over a cast-on. The second lap is to crochet 5 increases. The increases is to crochet 2 single crochet in same stitch. After cast-on done, pass through the stitch of cast-on. Crochet 2 single crochets in this stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Crochet 2 single crochet in same stitch. Pass through the same stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Pass through. Wind and yarn over. Crochet 2 single crochets in same stitch. Wind and yarn over. The last 1 single crochet. After the last one done, make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Wind and yarn over. The third lap, crochet 10 single crochets. The third, the fourth, the fifth lap are 10 single crochets too. Crochet a chain stitch as a cast-on. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast-on. Crochet 10 single crochets. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Crochet 10 single crochets. Go on. After done, make a slip stitch with the first stitch. The fourth is to crochet a chain stitch as a cast-on. Go on. The fifth, crochet a slip stitch. Tighten the loop. Continue to crochet the sixth. The sixth is same as the lace of the carnation. Also crochet 3 chain stitches as a cast on. Crochet a single crochet in the first stitch. And then continue 3 chain stitches. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Continue 3 chain stitches. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Crochet a single crochet. Crochet a single crochet again. The last stitch. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Yarn over, and then pull up the loop. Cut off the yarn. The jaw is done. After done, we need to hide it yarn. Hide it yarn. This place, the yarn, went in yarn over. The yarn can be sewed with a sewing needle. Yarn over from the bottom. It's okay to use crochet. Yarn over. And assemble the 2 parts. The blue yarn has remained a long section. Then pinch this part below this. Like this. Use a longer one. Tie this part below. Wind twice. After winding, yarn over the yarn by crochet. This is okay. Adjust the shape of the flower. Like this. The last 2 yarn. Put on sewing needle. Yarn over the bottom. Put it inside. Pull the end of the yarn. These are assembled together. A carnation has done.